Hi guys, for today's video, I will show you how to fix the email you provided is not supported in ChatGPT. So let's get started. First, in order for you to fix this one, you should have already an account, your Microsoft account, Google account, or your iCloud. So regarding this one, when you open this on browser and it's not working, try to clear browser cache or log in on a different browser or by this one. Just go to Google Chrome and then put on the search bar chat.openai.com and select this one and click sign up, this one. And under this browser, you will be creating your account or log in your account. And as I've said earlier, you should have an already an Microsoft account or Google account. And when you want to choose continue with Apple, this one will be asking for your iCloud ID. And if you want to continue with Microsoft account, just click this one to sign up. So just a moment. So if you already have a Microsoft account, or if you want to use a Microsoft account, so you just log in this one. And if you already have an account, your chat GPT will work after that. And that's it. That's how you fix email user provided it's not supported in chat GPT. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.